to give you their strategies. But before that, a disclaimer from our end: you need to consult your individual investment advisors before you take any kind of positions in the futures and options space, because while you might make windfall gains, you'll also land up in deep losses. Narayan as well as Mitesh Thakkar. Dr. Narayan, come to you first. Today there is a strong build-up, not just on the call side, but on the puts front, also on the 5500 strike. Earlier on, throughout the days that we have passed, 5500 has been a crucial point, and now pretty much what everyone has been talking about, a range-bound move, and 55 being the strike at which you would probably land up making some strategies.
The market has indeed been fluctuating around the 5500 levels, not really showing too much willingness to surge upward or not willing to break on the downside. But having said that, one would have to take cognizance of the fact that the market could not even really make it to somewhere near the let's say the recent highs, and actually chose to fall through the first set of supports. 5470 is our nearest support on Nifty futures, and that has been attacked and it has actually given way. 5430 is the next level, which was the last low that we saw a few days back. It is also the 62% retracement of the most recent upward swing. So a break of this would actually signal further downtrends in the market, and with the next immediate support in the market should be somewhere in the region of 5365 to 5370. So I think the market has a slight downside bias built into it than more of an upside bias, which is probably why we are seeing this sort of substantial addition in the 5500 and 5600 type calls. Both have added about 15 lakhs plus another 10 lakhs, so about 25 lakh shares have been added in these two strikes, which is clearly saying that traders are playing for the short side of the market.
Right. Dr. Narayan, while earlier on, throughout the week you've been suggesting, you'd also suggested a straddle strategy for 5500, which you later converted into a ratio put spread, which again has a downward bias. The level of 5300 yesterday, you spoke about it, where you can make your money. This time around, will you like to modify that strategy and probably, give a little bit more of an aggressive stance on the downside?
Well, you see, I would like to allow that particular strategy which we had, which was a ratio spread, long 55 put, short 25400 put. I would like to let that stand for the moment now till the market shows me other sets of signs. This in any case is profitable till 5300. But for those who are seeking to play the market for the moment, for the day of let's say a day or two, I would think the more aggressive stance on the market would be to short the 5500 call. It's trading currently at about maybe 37 to 40 odd rupees on the premium side. Like I said, this is an aggressive trading stance, but since the supports are being broken, I think it's a chance worth taking for those who wish to play the short side, not using futures but using the options.
All right, a little bit more of an aggressive stance. Remember, only for traders who are well versed with option trading. Dr. Narayan says you can go short the 5500 call. Wait till the Nifty comes to about 5435 odd levels. You, Dr. Narayan, first on the stock that you would like to talk about this time around. You've given us, a lot of calls earlier on. This time around, I guess it's the IT space.
I think I would like to leave the momentum plays alone for the moment, leave the Batas and Dish TVs alone for the moment, because many of them, sort of fizzle out in a day and then you are left holding the sack. I think I would pick on a short Infosys as a strategy for now, because that has been a stock which has been showing weakness. It is, at the moment, I see it being friendless in the market, so I think I would rather go and short that stock. 2840, 2850 is where it is trading at. I see a stop which is fairly nearby at about 2900. We can progressively bring this down if the stock were to go lower. But I would initiate a short at about 2840.50 with a stop at 2900. Look for something at least around to 2700 or even lower in the coming 1 to 3 sessions.
All right, that is Dr. Narayan's recommendation on an Infosys there. Watch it for that counter. Mitesh